Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Career Development Institute Cameroon Business Development course. Today we'll be looking at General Course Introduction. We welcome you once more to CaDI Project Development Hub. Career Development Institute is a professional diploma program of ACADI Cameroon, a national organization with vision, developing potentials, improving livelihoods. CaDI offers competency-based training and volunteerism promotion for youth employment and entrepreneurship development. To partner, sponsor, or volunteer at ACADI, contact us today using the number below, or you write us via the ACADI Cameroon gmail.com. Course presentation. This professional diploma program offers an opportunity for trainees to develop hands-on skills in project development. The course is designed for all persons with passion for community welfare, improvement, and promotion of healthy living. Course interest. Here we'll define the concepts and various kinds of business, understand ethics and business characters, understand the elements of accounting, marketing, insurance and their rules in business organization, concepts of effective communication in business, understand business and business environment. Course structure. The business development course includes 8 modules with averagely 2 sessions per module. Most of the academic jargons in the course have been simplified for all. The CaDI Professional Diploma is different from popular academic certificates. It certifies the proficiency of trainees in the domain of expertise. Now the course outline. In the course Business Development, we will see introduction to business, we will see general business ideas, we will see business setup, we will see fundamentals of business expansion, we will see business plan, business economics, creating and maintaining social enterprises, we will see public-private partnerships. The method used in the course Business Development. Here, each candidate is expected to go through the lectures systematically through videos, audio, and summary PDF lectures, which will be available for all trainees. Individual or group study options can be employed. CaDI staff on standby. Course completion is due 4 months maximum from date of admission. At the end of each module, trainees are expected to take an exam online, followed up with ACADI office in case of any challenge. Aside the 8 exams for the 8 modules, each candidate is expected to select a topic, prepare a project proposal, and submit before award of diploma. The individual candidate's project should follow the outline provided at the end of the module on proposal writing and should be submitted to the CaDI office in both MS Word and PDF version, as well as a short MS PowerPoint summary presentation. Payment of all dues is also required. Conclusion. A session will be done either online or offline on a case-by-case basis for candidates to present and their end of course project to CaDI jury. A final graduation event will be held either offline or online. Successful candidates will receive a professional diploma and a course transcript in due courses. Thank you and welcome you again in the next class as we begin the course proper. God bless you.